Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Slime Rancher. So I came to a realization here, okay, so we got cats here and rock slimes here, and then we have cat rock slimes here. So why do we need these if we have these? So we're gonna get rid of these. Actually, I want to do a test. Also, the cats are kind of a pain in my butt because they keep jumping out. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to get carrots. I'm going to feed these, because these were rocks that I fed tabby slime. So we're going to do a test and see if we can give a tabby a rock slime. Will they turn into the same thing? So that's what we're gonna figure that out. See, the good thing about pink slimes is if you mix them with something, then they will eat anything. So that's just about the only plus, though. Are these not ready? All right, sounds awful, but we're gonna roll with it. So that I'm gonna do a thing here. I'm just checking, making sure. Is there anything past you? Can I climb up this? No? Alright. Or maybe not until I get a jetpack or something. I don't know. Anyway. So, also in the last, between this video and the last, I figured something out that I'll show you when we get back to camp. It's daytime, so I'm going to check what's in here. Let's just try to... Did my chickadee grow up into a hen? Okay, we're just gonna run in and see what happens. We good? Oh, another slime key. Okay, alright. Anything else good in here? No? Alright, I'm outie. Whoosh, like Usain Bolt. Chickadee? Chickadee? We don't need a pink port. JK. I'm gonna just grab you. We're just gonna do a quick run through just to see what we can find. Oh! A roostro. Ow. Woo! Okay, I don't... A roostro. Alright, so I'm going to get our chicken coop up and running before we try to feed him. That way we have a bunch of chickens to feed him with his mouth hole. So a roostro. Can we, one sec, Slimepedia? Slimes? Rock climb, tabby. Ferals. Okay, so whatever the slime is. We're just checking some stuff out here. Formed when the larva eats a plort unlike the one it produces. Ah! So it's like when three different things come together, you know? You feel me? Hey, a roostro! Okay, so that grows into a stony hen. So I think the chickadees can grow up, right? Future meat? Future meat? Hunter slime? Oh, alpha birds on the far range and half the equation required to breed. Okay, so we need this guy to breed our chickens, to make more chickens to feed the big cats. Sounds great. What is that? What are you? What? Oh, another one. Mine. Yoink. Oh. Yoink. So I just got a bunch of chickens. Oh, that's a stony chick. That's why I found that. I thought it just added when I found the stony hens. Alright. Alright. We've got a bunch of important chickadoodler nonsense going through right now. Okay. So, on our list of things we need to do, I want to get some carrots to feed the rock plorts to get the rock slimes to get the rock plorts to feed to one of the cats to see if it will make the same as, like, you know? You feel me? To make more of these guys. To see if it makes the same. And then, about 4 in each thing is, 4 or 5 in each pen is pretty much my limit. Otherwise, do we still have Jeffrey? Is Jeffrey still over here? Jeffrey? Jeffrey? Oh. Was it even Jeffrey? Was it Jeremy? Oh, that's probably where Jeffrey went. Well, rest in peace, Jeffremundo. Okay, this is what I figured out between last episode and this. See this door? We can go in it. It's star mail. That's what the little envelope I had talked about in the last episode. So Bob, hello, chickens. Chicken. Hello, Bob. Psst, chicken. Alright. Mochi Miles. Well, it seems to be another wannabe rancher has signed up to the lowly experience of on a faraway oh, so we're in space. I'm Mochi Miles. That's Miles is in the billionaire. He's like the son of a billionaire. Yeah, he's the son of a billionaire, and that doesn't mean I won't. Well, backwater types. You know what? You get the gist. I don't want to read through all these, so, you know, you can pause the video if you want. Inside track to look forward to. The best of luck, Beatrix. Who's Beatrix? Am I Beatrix? Oh, so he's challenging me to a ranch off, basically. Slime Rancher. Carrots improve your night vision. Oh, sweet. So, salad. He's doing business. Gilded ginger. It's a mythical veggie. Oh, golden slime. All right. So I'm learning things. Le boy. That's French. I'm pretty sure. I don't really want to read through these. Alright. So I can sleep until morning. I'm bright and early. See what's happened over the last night. So, we're going to go to our chickadoodler farm. There's Jeffrey. Jeffrey? No. You're not allowed to eat those. Bad Jeffrey. Jeffrey? Stop it. I wonder if the stone guys are better. Anyway, this is just an all experiment for now. That is loud. Kind of, sort of. Alright, Tabby Slime. I don't want to put Jeffrey with the rest. He's not like the common rabble. These guys, I kind of want. I should make Jeffrey into something awesome. Jeffrey, I want you to stay over here, okay? These are where the cool kids hang out, in this corral. There's Jeffrey. Jeffrey, stay. Alright. What were we doing? Oh yeah, carrots. We need carrots. Let me see. Let me think. And otherwise, just exploring. We should probably start a farm soon. Like, up there. Maybe. Maybe putting a corral there was a bad idea. Do I get my money back if I take that down? I only get 100. Oh, no, it costs 100. What the what, dude? Alright, we'll just figure out a different place to put. Maybe we'll put the silo up there, and then we'll put this is like our farming stuff, you feel me? So we'll put the garden right here. That's what we'll do. So carrots. We need carrots. Because the rock plorts only eat veggies. Can I suck you up yet? No? Alright. I can suck you guys up. Stop eating. Incorrect. Go away. 9. Out. Anyone else who decides to mess with Cole? With Flint Cole? Cole Train? The Dinosaurus Rex is gonna get shot off a cliff, alright? You feel me? Back up. Alright, carrots. We're collecting carrots. Boom. Out. Outie. Stop eating stuff. I will destroy you. Ooh, that tree is growing things. I'm gonna go collect the things for the pink slime. The big pink slime, so I can feed him the things and make him die a long and painful death. Oh. Ooh. Oh, so it grows chickens somewhere where they can't get it. Ooh, box. Alright. We don't need chickadees. Don't eat that. Incorrect. Listen here, buddy. Who do you think you are? You think you're special? Do you think you're better? Get out of here. You turd. Alright. Tabby plort. Okay. No, don't eat. No, mine. I want. Stop. Oh. Okay. Back to the ranch. I wish there was like a teleport back to ranch thing. Maybe that's what the little treasure thing is. Teleport back. One sec. Adjustment. Alright. Wall. I keep getting stuck on places. Alright, so we know of 2 slime keys, 2 big guys, and like 3 or 4 areas at our ranch that we need to open. But otherwise, we've seen it all. Wait, what's over here? Maybe we haven't seen it all. Maybe I'm a dirty liar. Maybe I'm the first... What is that? What is this? What are you? I'm gonna go in the canyon first. Canyon? It's better to be a canyon than a cantion. What is this? What? Oh. It's just like carrots and junk. Alright, that was boring. Let's go look at the other area. Herder! Can you eat things? Can I do that? No, I don't want to try because other things are going to eat it then. It's just a little cute little area with the little stuff and things. So yeah, basically we've seen everything. Nothing special over there. Maybe the big guys dropped the slime keys. Maybe that's the missing puzzle piece. Alright, so here's what we do. Alright. So test. Oh, get out of here. Hop off. Alright, test. We need a rock plort. Wasn't there 3 in here? Maybe I'm just off my wing nut. Oh, well, I guess we have 2 more. So, yeah, so... Oh, hey, hop off. I'd get out of here. You're a bad noodle. Stop it. Alright, Let's see. Yep, they turned into the same. Alright. So I want you to go in there. And I want you to go in. Where's Bad Noodle? Buddy. Listen. Shut up. Jeffrey's the only good noodle. There's the bad noodle. Alright. So, let's just sell these. We got pogo fruit and carrots. These guys are chilling. I think we're pretty solid. I don't know. Alright, what do we need to do next? Let's go try to explode the guy. You feel me? The pink guy. No, don't eat that! Incorrect! Stop! No! No, 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 no. Don't, nobody eats. I wish you could feed him, like, pink slimes. Then this would be so much easier. I'd just collect all the pink slime and feed him his children. Maybe he's the mama pink slime. He's the mama, of course. That's how things work, I guess. What, can I pick? No. Alright. We're kind of all over the place. So, we're gonna go down to this guy and try to explode his belly hole. Alright. Are you ready? He's getting bigger. He's a Gordo. Oh, he's so big. Okay, he's a big belly hole man. Alright, we need to go get more stuffs. You feel me? Oh. Chickadoos. His only weakness. Hey guys, stop being up there. Will that chase you off? Oh. You're mine. You're mine. No, we need more. More things. Yoink. I just watched that grow with my own eye hole. Alright, we got food stuffs. I wonder if the chickens do more for his hunger stuff. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Moment of truth. Are you... Oh. You don't like the baby chickens? I appreciate that. Can I climb in your mouth belly hole? I can't climb. Wait, what if I... Yeah. Now can I... Oh! Parkour skills. Oh. I went to like shift walk, so... Nothing, really? I just came up here for nothing. I'm a bit toasted. What's over there? Do I know that place? I don't feel like I've been there. Maybe I have. Maybe I'm just smoking the doobies. I don't know. Is there a path going this way? Can I... No, 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 no. Alright. Do you lose all your things when you die? Probably. Jeffrey. Oh, you're not Jeffrey. Who are you? Alright, guys. I'm sorry to say this, but, alright. Any viewers with, a squeamish tendency and do not like, Wait, did I? No, 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 no. Stay away from my chickadoos. I meant to launch them off. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Alright. I think... let me... Alright, let's... I'm gonna suck everything up. And we're gonna cull the herd. Alright. So 2 hendro things. And 5 of each type of these. And then I'm gonna feed these to other one. Pretty solid. Give me the things. Oh no, I want those. Don't touch. Mine.